Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. NYC cops get a real-time alert for gunfire, and within minutes, they're chasing a suspect through packed Brooklyn streets in broad daylight. But what they don't realize is, there's a 3-year-old sitting in the back seat as this whole pursuit unfolds.
Body cameras on, body cameras on, body cameras on. Here's transmission.
Officers are still in active pursuit. They're keeping pressure on so the suspect doesn't get a chance to break away.
Get me help over here. Watch, they're gonna throw something out. There's people running. Careful, careful.
The pursuit is still ongoing. Staying close here limits the suspect's options and keeps control of the situation.
Why do I have not a help? I need help from other commands. Why didn't they block that car, man? That was stupid. Don't.
They turn onto another street and keep the chase active. Every turn like this increases risk, so staying right behind helps prevent the suspect from gaining distance or disappearing.
He's gonna get stuck. He's gonna get stuck. Maybe not. Turn left.
They make another turn and stay right on him. Matching every move keeps the pressure on and limits his chances to escape.
Watch out.
10-4, passing you, going towards Utica. I think we're in the 7-7.
We're in the 7-7. We're close to the 7-7 precinct itself. It's turning out to Utica. Empty out the 7-7. We're going towards the 7.
They make another turn, staying behind the lead cruiser. Holding formation like this keeps the pursuit coordinated and controlled.
7 itself, the physical building. In front of the 7.
We're past the 7-7 right now.
In front of the 7-7. We are physically in front of the 7-7.
Units are still in pursuit. Staying engaged like this prevents the suspect from gaining space and slipping out of sight.
He's making his way toward the eastern Parkway. Park in Utica.
He's stuck.
The suspect gets pinned in traffic and officers rush in on foot. Shots are fired, and the situation escalates instantly into a direct, life-threatening encounter.
He's stuck.
You can see officers firing at the vehicle as the driver sits right in the line of fire. This is an extremely dangerous moment where the risk to everyone involved spikes instantly. Officers suddenly realize there's a child in the back seat. This changes everything, forcing them to stop the threat while protecting an innocent life. We switch to the passenger side view where the suspect is positioned. This angle gives a clearer look at how the encounter unfolds and what officers are reacting to in real time. Officers move in on the driver and get her under control. Securing her here helps stabilize the scene and reduce immediate risk. Now we're going to rewind to when officers reach the child. This moment is critical because their focus shifts to getting that child out safely.
Just crash, just crash.
It's a baby! It's a baby! It's a baby! It's a baby! It's a baby!
Officers reach the child in the back seat. This is a critical shift as their focus turns to getting the child out safely and away from danger. What starts as a fast-moving pursuit turns into a situation where every decision carries real weight. Moments like this show how quickly things can escalate and how critical control becomes in real time. In the aftermath of this incident, changes were made with public safety in focus. Since February 2025, NYPD officers are now limited to pursuing vehicles only when there's clear probable cause tied to a violent crime. Even under those updated guidelines, a situation like this likely still qualifies for a pursuit. And after months of investigation, officials determined no criminal charges would be filed against the officers, bringing the case to a close. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.